Schwab.com sign in. How to log in or sign in to your Schwab account. In order to sign in to your online banking account on Charles Schwab, it is fairly simple to do so. First of all, open your browser and go to schwab.com, and this is the website interface you will be able to see. Now from the very top right hand side, you can see the login button. Make sure to click on the login button right there. And there you can select the option schwab.com. Once you have that, you will see login to Schwab, where you can enter the login ID that you have registered with. After you enter your login ID, go about also entering your password. If you are not sure what password you typed in, you can click on this I button to show the password. If you want the website or your browser to remember your login ID, check the button that says login ID. The start page can also be set before you log in, like whether you want to go directly to account summary page, account balances page, positions, trade ticket, history, stock and ETF trading. Depending on anything, you can select that and finally click the login button. Sometimes you might have forgotten your login ID or password. In that case, you can follow up with these settings over here to reset it. So I hope this video helps you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.